What's up guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. And in today's video, I think you remember this world. It looked completely different here, but this is Neighborville. And the only thing I think that we're missing for a town, it's kind of a city now, it's quite big. The only thing that we're missing is an airport, I think. So that's why I built this huge highway, which took me like whole of last night. And then if you want to build this is a tutorial. If you want to build this, you're gonna have to build a huge railway out of your city because they don't want to hear the busy sounds. And yeah, then we put a sign, which basically here, you know, it's got it. You can't really write in Minecraft big thingies. I just did this sign which says airport is here. And yeah, so what I'm thinking, this is going to be a parking lot, and if you guys want to copy me, it's a 52 by 46. So then just leave me to it, and I'll just fill up this whole thing with grey concrete. Okay, see you guys next time. So this is what I've done. I've done a road which is cutting. I know it looks very horrible, but you can design yours. And then just a trick on these, because I'm going to do them like parking lots. I want to go like this, and there's always a space in between. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 2-block gap in the middle. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 there, 4 here, and there should be a 6 blocks in the middle. And then you do that repeatedly, and make sure there is a space for the cars to actually get through. So don't just all cramp them together, because if there's a car here and a car there, then how are you supposed to get through? So think of that. And yeah, okay, I'm going to do this very quickly. And yeah, okay, I'll do this. So I have finished doing this, and I also carried the leaves going on. And we're also going to add lampposts, but that might be for another episode of this epic thing. And these are going to be short little videos on how to do stuff. So right now, to finish the video, I'm going to make a little path. Or maybe we could do the lampposts and do the little path in this episode. In the next episode, we're going to do this massive airport. And do you know Roblox? Well, there's a game, and I'm going to copy the airport from that, like most of it. So what we're going to do for this path, we're going to take brick blocks, or whatever block you actually want. We're actually going to take smooth stone, and we're just going to make just a small path that goes away from the here. Now this is how it goes. You come in here, yippee! Come here, park your car. There's going to be a post saying where actually no, you can locate your car quite easily because it's quite a small airport. And then you come here, you're like yippee, and then we're gonna go here, take the path, and then it's gonna turn this way. The path, it's gonna go a little bit further than the leaves. And it's gonna be the airport, and behind the airport, it's gonna be the big runway, all the way here. It's gonna be a very big runway because you know the planes. Yep, okay. And I'm also going to be showing you how to do planes, but that's in a single episode. So anyway, enough of talking. Gotta get to building and smooth stone time. It's very easy. You guys should be able to do this probably. So it's a 6 block. And I'm extending out this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to go maybe 2 more. There we go. Now the style of this building is really going to go into the airport, not really. Oops. Gonna go, there we go. Bit further than that, and yeah, speed this up. I'm just gonna dig this out and place all the blocks in. Okie dokie, we've done that. Now, I want to do kind of like a tree walkway. I've got a really good style and a little hack I want to show you. So you need to get a dark oak fence and a lantern with a sapling. And yeah, just some random block with bone meal. There we go. So what you're gonna do for this is gonna place a sapling. Oh no. First we're gonna do these really cool little lamps, and just gonna place them around. I'm just gonna place them kind of anywhere so it looks quite natural, not just all that. Yep, gonna put some here and some here with some here. There we go. So it makes it like a quite nice like little walkway. And then we're gonna add some trees in it. Not many trees, but some trees that kind of make it look good. We want to go away from the lamppost. Place the sapling quite behind. And this is a little hack. We're gonna place 3, and we're gonna do so. There we go. So that's how you get a bigger tree than usual. A bigger tree than you should normally spawn in. Like, yeah. So I'm just gonna put one right here. Hopefully this one will not ruin the lamps. Get in, there we go, perfect. I'm also gonna add some bone meal, make the place look nice. I'm gonna go here. The bone meal adds flowers, which I think is quite a good touch. Then we're gonna have to come back here. Oh, that's a big tree. Okay, we're gonna place one tree on the other side right here. I just don't want to place it symmetrically because you know an airport it's not all symmetrical, and also it doesn't look good when everything is symmetrical. So there's another tree, and I think we should be good on trees. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe one more tree, or I think we could be done. Yeah, that looks very good. Okay, that's the walkway done, and I'm gonna do the lamppost for you guys. So I'm gonna clear my inventory. I'm gonna see you guys in 2 seconds. So I've cleared my inventory, and the blocks what you need for this is stone bricks. You guys will need just some stone brick wall, I think. Alright, what we're gonna do exactly, we're gonna copy the lamppost from my city over here, because I think they are very good. As you can see, they're over here. So we're gonna see what they look like. So yes, stone bricks. Then you're gonna have cobblestone walls. Gonna have a anvil. Where's the anvil? Anvil. There we go. Then we're gonna have some slabs, and we're gonna have trapdoor with a daylight sensor and a redstone lamp. Okay, that's everything you need, and you need 6 blocks. Okay, see you back at the airport. So we're back here, and gonna change it to midnight so we know exactly where to put the lampposts. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna start with 2 stone bricks. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, slightly damaged. Why did I take a slightly damaged? We need a normal anvil. Place that. Crouch and jump. Then we're going to have a daylight sensor. Make sure to click on it again so it's kind of bluey colour. And then we're going to have 2 spruce trapdoors. Then anywhere there's a smooth stone slab, and place redstone lamps, and then it should light up. And there we go. So you just need to do this, but the other way around. We also will need, if you slash give yourself a light block, and then place 1 and 15, it should give you this. And then to make it look better, like the light is stronger, you can place it like over here, and it makes it look like the light is going all the way down. I think that looks better. And I did it wrong because I placed it the wrong way. It needs to place this way. Okay, let me just do that. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the 10th block away, we're gonna place another one. Okay, or maybe here. So it will be 1, 2, 3 parking lots. And okay, we're gonna do this and make sure the light block is on the last. Okay, let me do this and I'll see you guys next time. So this is what it looks like for now, and I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like on this video and hit that subscribe button. Oh wait, I just gotta change this. Hold up, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.